Welcome back to Tecnoguias. In this video, I am going to show you how you can send an audio from WhatsApp web. It is very easy and very simple. You must keep in mind that your computer must be current, it must have a microphone or headphones with a good microphone. In addition, you must allow here on your computer. The first thing we are going to do is select audio here, and we can see a small advertence for permits. Press in and go to here, and we are go to the upper left corner and add microphone. Okay, and here this is recording and send. Okay, you can check. And here, this is recording. Okay, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content like this. Confirm as we come here is worded correct perfectly, and audio was sent, so it is very easy. See you in the next video.